Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for August 13, 2020. As you look at the SPY chart here, you can see that this is the all-time high at beginning of the year on February 19, 2020. So the last couple of days, the market had have a hard time to break through the sell zone there. Every time they go there, they test, they fail. Every time they go there, they test, they fail. So technically, we are still not out of the wood yet. So we really want to see that tomorrow, Friday, will the market be able to get up and punch to that level, or at least retest the all-time high, or they will run out of gas and then come back down before build up some more momentum before they can break out. But they look at the chart, the overall chart is still bullish. So we still stick with the uptrend. The price is still stay above my moving average and it's still above my trend line. So it doesn't matter what happened out there, it's still in the uptrend. So as long as the price is still in the uptrend, we will stick with the upside until they prove that they will be change direction. So that's how for the market look like right now. If you look at the gold, after they run down to the buy zone, and now they try to buy back up to the written area here. So let's see that they be able to go back up to retest the downtrend line here, or they go up here and then they give up and do one more round on the downside. So that the goal. If somebody buy it up here, it's too late. The market they slam it down, and now people scared. Nobody want to buy in its level, and if nobody want to buy here, they will continue to go lower. And for the bond, it also have trouble. Bond, it after the breakout this level here, they continue to the downside. As you can see here, the bond is down from 183. Now it go to 177, and it still they have some support here. So probably they will try to rebound back to the downtrend line here first to retest this level, and then but the overall it's still very bearish, so they can go down further. Okay, so that's all the market update for you right now. So if you are a day trader, so today the market will go up, then it go test, fail, they come back down, and then they come right back up. So when the market open at 6:35, so in our live trading room, so we guide everybody from here up to the sell zone, take the first profit, and then after that, done for the day. And then when I finish my live trading room, I come back here, they still give me some time left to jump in, take a quick trade to grab some daily income profit for $980, and then I sell another swing trade, make it 2147.20. So the total net profit for today is $3,127.20. So the key thing here is not how much money you make. The key thing here is how you can make money consistently. Because whatever the market give it to you, whatever time frame they give it to you, if you know how to define the sell zone, the buy zone, where is your level, where the trend, and if you know how to do that, and then you can make money. It doesn't matter what time frame, where are you at. So that's what we are doing in Stock Navigators. We guide everybody, we help everybody to learn how to do day trade, to make some daily, extra daily income. And then we also focus on the swing trade so that we can make a bigger profit potential. So that's all I have for you today. So if anything change in the market, I will let you know. Otherwise, we're looking forward to see you on the next week market forecast. Again, thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next video.